As of late March 2026, every single Shopify store is automatically available inside ChatGPT, Google AI Mode, Perplexity, and Microsoft Copilot. When a customer asks an AI agent for a product recommendation, your inventory is already in the pool of options. But being in the pool does not mean the agent will select your product. Most AI agents skip over products with vague descriptions or missing attributes because they cannot confidently evaluate the data. Traditional e-commerce listings are written for humans browsing a website. They rely on emotional copywriting and imagery to make a sale. AI agents, however, parse structured text. They look for explicit, machine-readable attributes to decide if a product fits a user's request. To solve this, we need to restructure your product data. We will walk through 5 specific steps to translate your standard listing into a format that an AI agent can parse, evaluate, and recommend. Adapting to agentic commerce means ensuring your product data is legible to the machine before it ever reaches the human buyer. Step 1 begins right here in the standard Shopify product editor. This is where you establish the primary signals for the AI. AI agents do not browse your store visually. They read your product title as a structured identifier. A creative or abstract title, like The Wanderer, provides no context, forcing the agent to skip your product. Use a specific formula: product, key attribute, and brand. A title like Lightweight Waterproof Hiking Backpack gives immediate clarity. The agent isolates the first segment to categorize the product type. It then extracts attributes like volume and material to filter out non-matching products. Step 2 is your description. When a customer asks an AI for a recommendation, the agent scans your description for signals. If you only describe how a cream feels amazing, the agent has no factual data to match against a user's query. Instead, use bulleted data. List the problem it solves, who it is for, specific ingredients or dimensions, and explicit use cases. These titles and descriptions should act as a factual brief for an AI shopping assistant, providing the evidence it needs to suggest your product. Step 3 moves us away from the main text block and into the less visible components of your listing, located in the right-hand sidebar. Start with your tags. To help an agent find your product, tags should be descriptive use case identifiers rather than internal codes. Use terms like travel-friendly, fragrance-free, or gift for him. Next, populate your metafields. Because these fields map directly to a structured schema, they provide the specific data points AI agents use to categorize and compare your products. Filling out standard Shopify metafields for attributes like material, age group, and gender provides the structured data AI agents consume through the Storefront API. This pipeline feeds directly into the agent's decision-making matrix, allowing it to verify your product meets the customer's requirements. Step 4 addresses your product imagery. AI agents are primarily text-based systems. They cannot see your product photos the way a human can. Alt text is the only bridge between your images and the AI. Replace default file names with literal descriptions of the product's color, shape, size, and use context. These hidden structural fields are the primary signals the AI uses to validate a product's details before making a recommendation. Step 5 requires a shift in focus. Because AI agents process full sentences, the goal moves from ranking keywords to matching the customer's actual intent. AI agents typically handle specific query patterns. These include use case requests like "I need a moisturizer for dry skin," and strict constraints such as "What's the best hiking pack under $150?" Other patterns focus on highly specific attributes like fragrance-free options, or occasion-based scenarios, such as "Can you recommend a gift for a frequent traveler?" Take your newly updated listing data and cross-reference it against these common queries. Ask yourself if the AI has enough raw information in your listing to answer those specific prompts. Providing complete, structured data gives the AI the necessary signals to match your product with these complex customer intents. With these optimizations in place, your product data is prepared for the next time an agent crawls your store. When a user prompt aligns with your specific attributes, the agent can now surface your listing as a highly relevant recommendation. By providing a structured title, a concrete description, and clear API metafields, you've removed the ambiguity that causes AI agents to skip over listings. Start by applying this 5-step optimization protocol to your 10 best-selling products to see how it improves their discoverability. To identify which products need the most work, the Agentic Lens tool can automate the audit for you. It scores your catalog based on description clarity, attribute completeness, and structured data quality. Mastering the translation from human copy to structured data is a primary way to gain a competitive advantage in this new era of agentic commerce. Keep your data clean, keep it factual, and the agents will be able to do their job.